Guess the chicken for $100.
Ooh, hold on. I don't know. I don't know about this one. Let's see. That's KFC. 100% KFC. Gotta be.
How do you know?
The taste is unique. Very unique. That's Publix chicken. Nope.
From the smell?
That's Publix, yes. That's Publix, 100%. Popeyes. This Popeyes right here, this is my favorite. Yes. 100% Popeyes.
You just touched it.
You can tell the way Popeyes make their chicken is different than any of these. I don't know what else you got, but this one is for sure Popeyes.
Okay.
That's Church's. That's Church's. Look. Yeah, that's Church's right there. Look at this. You see the cracks in between the chicken? I can feel it. They have a bigger crack in it than any of the rest of them. You can tell that this is Church's right here.